Imagine standing before a vast, shimmering lake in the heart of ancient Angkor. Pilgrims arrive seeking healing, priests perform sacred rituals, and water itself is believed to possess miraculous powers. This is Veal Reach Dak, the modern Khmer name for the ancient Jayatataka Baray, meaning the plain of the royal reservoir. More than 800 years ago, it was known as the Reservoir of Jaya, a monumental project commissioned by the visionary king Jayavarman VII. Completed in the late 12th century, this enormous reservoir stretched approximately 3.5 kilometers long and 900 meters wide. Located just east of Preah Khan, it formed part of one of the most sophisticated water management systems of the medieval world. But Jayatataka was more than an engineering marvel. At its center stood Neak Pean, a temple designed as a spiritual hospital. Its waters symbolize the mythical Himalayan Lake Anavatapta, a sacred lake believed to cure illness and cleanse suffering. The temple's design reflected this powerful symbolism. A large central pond was connected to 4 smaller pools representing the elements: earth, wind, fire, and water. Water flowed through beautifully carved spouts shaped as an elephant to the north, a horse to the west, a lion to the south, and a human head to the east. For ancient visitors, each pool offered a symbolic path toward healing and balance. Then, something remarkable happened. For more than 500 years, the great reservoir lay dry. What was once a sacred lake became an open plain. Yet beginning in 2008, restoration efforts repaired ancient canals and dams, allowing water to return. Additional refilling followed in 2011, dramatically transforming the landscape. The mirror-like lake that visitors see today is the result of decades of conservation work. As tourism patterns shift and environmental pressures grow, the story of Veal Reach Dak reminds us that Angkor's greatest treasures are not only its temples, but also the ingenious systems that sustained an empire. A forgotten healing lake, reborn after centuries, continues to reflect the brilliance of Cambodia's ancient civilization.